Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope you are faring on well. This is Wenlin Mark with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be illustrating how to create a bootable USB. So I was trying to install my macOS Sequoia, but I want to also create a bootable for it instead of just upgrading. So in this video, I'll be illustrating to you guys how I go about it, how I create my bootable. So first things first, you need to download the macOS installer. Check on your launch pad, you'll see it here. Mine is here, install macOS Sequoia. So once you've done that, you'll open disk utility. Just use the spotlight search to open disk utility. Once it's open, erase your USB. Mine is around 32 gigs, so you need more than 16 gigabytes, so that's probably 32 and above. Then click on the erase. I'll name mine MyVolume because that is the name used by Apple, so it will prevent you from making a lot of changes to the command line that I'll provide you. After naming it MyVolume, ensure it is not APFS. Do not format as APFS. Format it as macOS extended journal. If you format it as APFS, it will not be detected. Now that's done, you can hit disk utility. Then we shall need this command. I'll provide it in the link in the description, or you can just check out the Apple support page. So I want to install macOS Sequoia, so I'll just copy this link. Then I'll minimize that. I'll now use the spotlight search again to open terminal. Now I'll paste this command in my terminal. Then I'll click enter. Input your password. As you can see, it says ready to start. To continue, you need to erase the volume. If you wish to continue, type 1. Just press 1. Then the process to erase the disk has started. This will take quite a while. Once it completes the process of erasing, it will now write the data or format the USB to become bootable. So this process will take quite a while. I'll just leave it there, but I'll fast forward the video to avoid monotony or to avoid keeping you guys for long. So I'll see you guys once the process has completed to show you that my USB is now bootable and that I can use it to boot into my Hackintosh. So as you guys can see, the installation, or rather the process of making the USB bootable has completed. Here you see the install media can now be found at this location. So I'll just close my terminal. Then if you check our USB, you'll find it here. Oh, sorry, I need to force quit that. So here you see, so what we need to do is we need to copy our EFI, our working EFI, into the location of the USB so that our USB can be bootable. So what I'll do is I'll just mount, that is, I'll look for this one, install on macOS Sequoia, because that is the name of the USB. Then click mount. Then open volume. You see the volume is empty. So now I'll mount again my internal disk. Open volume. Then I'll copy this EFI. Yeah, this one. So I'll just drag it in here. Let it finish the copying process. Once it's done, that means we can now install or boot from the macOS Sequoia from the USB. So that was the short tutorial, guys, on how to create a bootable just using the terminal without using any other application. So I hope you found this video useful. If you want to create your USB disk, your bootable USB disk, this is the easier method to do so. You don't have to go through the hassle of selecting where the installation is, the installation files. Just use a single command and that's it. So once this process has completed, as you guys can see, we can now boot from the installer, or we can install our Mac to another PC using the same USB drive. So that was it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for attaining 200 subscribers. Continue subscribing, liking and share the video. Our target is to get to 1,000, which is very achievable, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay safe.